Go at 9.
Okay, we're out of 12,000, John. Go at 9. Coming down at 182, a little steep. Okay, we're going to be right on, just about right on, maybe 10 feet. 10,000 feet. Stand by. Okay, 64 and 8,200. Pro. It's over. It's over. Huh? And here it is, Gators, Lone Star. I know. All of the things, Charlie. Okay, 40 degrees, 38 degrees. Right. Helmet on dot, North Ray. Okay. Looks like we're going to be able to make it, John. There's not too many blocks up there.
Ryan, you go for landing.
4,000 feet. Go for landing. 42 LPD. 42. 3,900 feet. Okay, 2 to the south, Charlie. Okay. It's in. Okay, 42, 41 LPD, 30,000 feet on profile. Okay, there's, we're coming right down, gonna be a little past, okay, 41 LPD. Okay. For the left. 2,000 feet, 60 on profile. Okay. Okay, 42 LPD. Couple of more in. 1,400 feet. 44. Down. Looking good. Out of 1,000 feet. Right on profile. 54 LPD. Dropping out the bottom now. 800 feet. 30 down. Okay, Houston, we're going to be just a little long.
Roger.
But we're just now beam double spot.
Copy.
Okay. 23. 22 down at 500 feet. Okay. The big blocks over here to the left, John. Okay, 300 feet, 15 down. Okay. Okay. Take over, Charlie. Okay. Okay, fuel is good, 10%. That comes a shadow. Okay, 200 feet, 11 down. Give me a couple ticks off. Okay, 5 down at 130 feet. 2 forward. Roll off, Britton. Okay, looking good. Perfect place over here, John. A couple of big boulders. Not too bad. Okay, 80 feet, down at 3. Looking super. There's dust. Okay, down at 3. 50 feet, down at 4. Give me one click up. Back it up slightly. Okay, 2 down. Stand by for contact. We'll let her down. You level off. Let her on down. Okay, 76%, plenty fat. Contact. Stop. Through. Pro. Engine arm. Wow! All there. Engine arm. Get to the command override. Okay.